Before you buy a scalp massager for dandruff, there's one thing no product page tells you. Most of these brushes feel great, but don't actually exfoliate deeply enough to remove stubborn flakes. If you've tried one and still wake up with white snow on your shoulders, you're not alone. Let's fix that.
Product number 1, Aliexpress 4-pack scalp brush. This Aliexpress 4-pack caught my eye because it's super affordable at just $6.99 and comes with 4 brushes. Great if you want one for home, office, or even your pet. The plastic build feels light, and the grass-shaped handle is surprisingly comfortable to grip. If you want a budget-friendly option that covers all your bases without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The flexible silicone-like bristles are soft enough not to irritate sensitive scalps, but firm enough to lift dead skin cells and loosen dandruff buildup when used in circular motions. It's designed for daily use, and since it's manual, there's no charging or batteries. Just wet it, apply shampoo, and go. With over 3,000 sold in the past month, it's clearly popular, especially among people looking for a simple, no-fuss solution. Now, some people complained about the bristles feeling too stiff at first, especially on very sensitive scalps. Here's the thing though, after a few uses, they soften up slightly, and if you have thick or oily hair, that initial firmness actually helps dig deeper into buildup. Still, if you've had scalp irritation from hard brushes before, this might feel a bit rough at first. This is perfect for you if you want multiple brushes for different locations or family members and don't want to spend much. Skip this one if you have a very sensitive scalp or prefer softer, more flexible bristles from day one. At under $2 per brush, the value is hard to beat.
Product number 2, Sunday Silicone Scalp Scrubber. Alright, that was a solid budget option, but the next one on my list might actually be better if you care about materials and eco-friendliness. The Sunday brush costs the same $6.99, but uses wheat straw plastic and food-grade silicone, making it safer for you and the planet. The green color and minimalist design give it a clean, spa-like vibe. If you want a natural-feeling brush that's gentle yet effective, this one stands out. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 44 high-density silicone bristles are each 0.67 inches long, which means they reach deep into thick hair to distribute shampoo evenly and stimulate blood flow at the roots. That increased circulation can help reduce flakiness over time by promoting healthier follicles. Plus, the ergonomic handle with non-slip grooves gives you solid control, even when your hands are soapy. It's also safe for kids and pets, which is a big plus for families. Now, some people complained that the bristles feel too short for very thick or curly hair, making it harder to get through dense sections. Here's the thing though, this brush is designed more for scalp massage and exfoliation than detangling, so it works best when used with conditioner already in your hair. If you're using it correctly, it shouldn't be an issue. This is perfect for you if you want an eco-conscious brush that's gentle on sensitive skin and great for daily dandruff maintenance. Skip this one if you have extremely thick or tangled hair and need serious detangling power. For under $7, it's a smart, sustainable pick.
Product number 3, Rebec's 2-in-1 Dual Brush. Now, if the previous brush's single function felt limiting, this next one takes a completely different approach. The Rebec's 2-in-1 costs $7.39 and combines a soft silicone side for shampooing with a firmer inner layer for deep exfoliation. The purple design is sleek, and the grooved handle prevents slipping, even in steamy showers. If you want one tool that does both cleansing and scrubbing, this is a clever upgrade. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The outer soft bristles gently massage and spread shampoo, while the inner stiffer ones target buildup and flaky patches, perfect for tackling dandruff at its source. You can use the soft side daily and the exfoliating side 2 to 3 times a week for deeper cleaning without over-scrubbing. It's lightweight at 91 grams and works on wet or dry hair, making it versatile for pre-wash treatments. Now, some people complain that switching between sides feels awkward at first, and the dual design makes it slightly bulkier than single-sided brushes. Here's the thing though, once you get used to flipping it, the convenience outweighs the learning curve. Plus, the added functionality means you don't need 2 separate tools.
This is perfect for you if you want a multitasking brush that handles both gentle washing and deep exfoliation. Skip this one if you prefer minimalist designs or have very small hands that find the size uncomfortable. At just over $7, it's a functional, no-nonsense choice.
Product number 4, Shinlia Double-Sided Massager. All right, that was a solid multifunctional option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for tangled, frizzy, or hard-to-manage hair. The Shinlia brush costs $10.99 and features a true double-sided design. One side with 19 soft silicone bristles for massage, the other with 244 fine comb pins for detangling. The snap mechanism lets you switch sides easily, and the finger ring adds extra grip. If you battle both dandruff and knots, this could be your holy grail. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The high-low bristle design on the massage side reaches deep without scratching, while the dense comb side gently works through tangles without breakage, something most scalp brushes can't do. That means you can use it as your only shower tool. Exfoliate, shampoo, and detangle all in one. It's safe for all hair types, including color-treated or chemically processed hair, and helps distribute natural oils for shinier results. Now, some people complained that the comb side can pull slightly on very tangled wet hair if used too aggressively. Here's the thing though, if you apply conditioner first and go slowly, it glides through with minimal stress. It's not meant to replace a wide-toothed comb on super knotted hair, but for daily maintenance, it's excellent. This is perfect for you if you want a premium-feeling, multi-use tool that tackles both scalp health and hair manageability. Skip this one if you only need basic dandruff relief and don't deal with tangles. At $11, it's a bit pricier, but the dual functionality justifies the cost.
Product number 5, Jupiter Scalp Exfoliator. Now, if you're serious about scalp health and willing to invest a little more, this next one is in a league of its own. The Jupiter Scalp Exfoliator costs $19.99, more than double the others, but it's built with medical-grade nylon and thermoplastic elastomer for precision and durability. The black and white design is sleek, and the finger ring makes it feel like a professional tool. If you want salon-level exfoliation at home, this is the one. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The multi-height bristles are engineered to stimulate circulation without irritation, even on thinning or chemically treated hair. It's safe for wigs and extensions, and the waterproof design with a stainless steel chain means you can hang it in the shower without rust or mold. Use it dry before shampooing to loosen flakes, or wet to boost lather and massage. Either way, it delivers a deep, therapeutic cleanse that actually reduces dandruff over time. Now, some people complained about the price, saying it's too expensive for a manual brush. Here's the thing though, this isn't just a brush, it's a long-term scalp care tool. If you've struggled with persistent dandruff and cheaper options haven't worked, this level of design and safety is worth the investment. This is perfect for you if you have sensitive, treated, or thinning hair and want a durable, hygienic brush that won't cause damage. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget or only need occasional use. At $20, it's the premium choice, but for serious scalp care, it delivers.
So, which one should you grab? If you want affordability and quantity, go with Life. For eco-friendly softness, Sunday is a great pick. Need dual action? Rebex or Shinlia both deliver. Rebex for exfoliation focus, Shinlia if you also fight tangles. And if you're dealing with stubborn dandruff and want the best, Jupiter is worth the splurge. Remember, consistency matters more than the tool. Use it 3 to 4 times a week and you'll see real results.